Hi everyone, this is Dan Thrax. I'm making a quick video about enabling TPM on Intel platform motherboards. Specifically, this is an MSI Z490, although I think it's in a similar spot on other Z490, Z590 boards, and probably most other MSI boards will be a similar place. So you want to go into the BIOS, go to Settings, then Security, and then Trusted Computing. And here you want to make sure that this is on PTT. This is using Intel Platform Trust technology. It's built into the CPU. It doesn't require an external TPM chip. This is important for Windows 11 support, in which you have to have a TPM enabled. So that should be set to PTT unless you have a dedicated TPM chip, which there's currently a shortage on because people bought them all up because they thought they were needed, but they're not. So then the only thing you need to do here is go here and make sure that you check enabled on that, and then you should be good to go with installing Windows 11. And that's it, just a quick video going over that process, and I hope this helps.